welcome back to my channel, East Bay Stamp Chick. This is Michelle, and today's video we're going to be making some cards, 4 cards, using the Love from Lizi Sunshine Rodeo kit, and that is the current kit that is out right now. And this is the stamp set that comes in your kit. So we're going to make 4 cards, and one of the things I like to do lately is I like to kind of repeat the same card and make several of the same one, because that helps me make cards very fast, and then I have my stash of cards that I can utilize. So let me show you what we're going to do. I already have a lot of things already stamped and die cut for us to use. So what we're going to be using today are these are called the Stitch Label Nested Dies. And I want to show you what I did. I took 2 of these and I used some low-tack tape to attach them so I can create frames. So for each of our cards today, there will be a frame. I have everything sectioned off here, what we're going to use. So each card will have a frame that I've used these dies to create, okay? And then inside each frame, I've used a smaller die, so you can see which ones I've taken out here. And that is going to be the patterned paper from the kit, all right? So we're going to do that on all 4 cards. And then I also made a background for all 4 cards using this really pretty, like, creamy vanilla colored cardstock that was in the kit. I stamped it using ground espresso from the Distress Oxide, and I used the Sending Sunshine stamp set. This came in the Sending Sunshine kit, which had the cute little donkey and all the sunflowers, has matching dies as well. So if you didn't get the kit, you can still buy the stamp set with the matching dies. That is still available, and it goes perfectly with the patterned paper in this particular kit. So I went ahead and stamped 4 panels of 4 1/4 by 4 by 5 1/4. And I also stamped out and cut little sentiment strips using the sentiments that are in the stamp set right here from the kit, okay? So let's put a card together and see what this makes. Oh, and I also forgot this cute little butterfly die. Look at this. This is adorable. You can even bend it a little bit, but look at that. This is available on the website as well, and it looks like this right here. And that is something you can just pick up if you want. And then I have also selected ephemera for each card. And so we're going to put these together and look at what we come up with, okay? All right, let's start putting these together. These are going to turn out super cute. And they're all birthday cards, kind of, or one of them says howdy partner, but they're going to be cards that are going to be very usable. I feel like when you have sentiments that are like a birthday or like a hello, thinking of you, those are cards that we can always utilize. One of my favorite stamp sets is this sunflower. I have to say, I love it. I've used it several times now. And I do like creating my own frames using dies. I think that just adds a little bit of dimension and interest to the cards. These come together super quick. We're just going to center the patterned paper in the middle of the frame that we created. And then I'm going to put the little cowboy boot and the sentiment on there. Now, I'm not using any foam squares or foam tape, but you definitely could, and that would, I think, add a lot of interest if you wanted to use that and pop certain elements up. think that could look super cute. Let's just put this underneath here a little bit. But I'm just going to keep it flat. A little bit easier for mailing. And then our butterfly, I'm going to bend those wings in. And I am just going to put some glue in the center here. And a little bit in these outward areas. And I'm just gonna pop that on. Oops. Get it on the paper there. Okay. And there we go. There's our first card. I think that turned out really cute. And they're all going to be super similar, but that makes them go really fast. And what's also nice is it makes like a little boxed set. You know, like you could box it up and give it to somebody as a gift. I think everybody would like to give a card, but a lot of times we just don't have one available if you're not a card maker. And maybe you don't have time to go to the grocery store or, you know, Target, Walmart, whatever, to pick one up. So it's nice to have them, you know, just available. So I think giving the gift as a set of cards to somebody can be really good too. This one I chose green for the frame because the patterned paper is brown, and so I just thought that would be a nice contrast. It is the green cardstock that it comes in the kit. So it already matches. And we've got our butterfly. Just separating that out. Just a couple of dabs of glue there. Make sure it's on the card so that way it's not hanging off too much. This corner just doesn't want to glue down, so adding some extra glue there. Okay. And then this one I chose Saddle Up Sunshine and 2 of the sunflowers in the ephemera kit with some foliage, so we can do something like that. So after I've placed everything, I'm just going to kind of glue that down so I know that's where I want it to go. And this one I'm going to put on the bottom. And that one's going to overlap on the top. Okay, and then we need to do our little sentiment. I think I'll put it over there. And I just cut these little strips with my paper trimmer. So real easy. It's really cute. All right, let's do this one. We've got, this one is so cute. Hope your birthday is one heck of a hoedown. I think that's so funny. You do get 12 sheets of patterned paper, and I think it's 5 sheets of cardstock in your kit. So amongst, you know, like she gives you dies and stamps and ribbon and all kinds of good stuff. If you haven't seen what's in the kit, I do have an unboxing video that you can watch and check out so you can see all the goodies that you get. because it comes with a lot of really great items. I always, you know, add in a few things from my stash, like this butterfly is an extra item. She has lots of really cute dies and stamp sets. Actually, I should probably put... let me put this on first. Make sure I get that in the right spot. This one kind of has almost a southwestern Arizona feel, this patterned paper. So if you have a friend that lives there, it kind of goes with that whole look. And I think I'll put this first so we can kind of layer this on top. Got your steer head with your flowers. Okay, and there's that one. And the last card. Howdy partner is what that sentiment says. Okay, let's put our frame. What kind of cards do you give the most of? Do you do a lot of birthday cards? Thinking of you cards? What's your go-to card? All right, this pattern paper is the softer green with the little sunflowers. Just center that, just kind of eyeball it, and then this one goes like this. Okay, just kind of looking where do we want to put that. I'm going to go right there. Howdy partner. These are cowboy boots with like a bouquet coming out of it. Really cute. And our butterfly. Alright, and there we go. So that gives us 4 really quick cards. They all look similar, which makes it easy to make them. Popping these butterflies out, so check those out. Let me know what you think, and definitely check out the card kit unboxing if you haven't seen it yet, because it's such an adorable kit. All right, thanks everyone. Bye-bye.